No, it's not a Lego video. There it is, cleared off. And I'm supposed to go to the Transformers. And I'm gonna get my little gyroscope thing from my phone. I notice how horrible these videos are. Bear with me. Yeah, I was building last night. I'm building today. Yesterday I cleaned up the Blazer. Moved the truck. Sure. Clearing out the shed. Get that Riviera in there soon. Get my truck together. 65 Riviera. I'll clean up the garage in there. That's my task for the winter. See, y'all think I ain't doing something. Doing something for me. Not really. I'm still working on other stuff. I'm working on the front porch here. It's almost done. Still got to screw all these down. With the front two cut out, trimmed, fitted. Need to send pipes for some screws. That's not going there. That's the last one for against the house. I'll have to trim it. Yep. Alright, I'll make it up into the transformer room on the next video. Figured I'd let you peek at what I was doing. And get to the truck tomorrow. Let's go look at it again. Might as well. I need a before and after. Transformer video. Get the rest of the undercoating done on this. Ooh, baby. Yes, sir. Rainy days. Y'all ain't gonna shut me out. Alright, so the front's funky. Yep, I gotta clean that up a lot. Get it like the back half. Yeah. Pretty much the whole front half. Alright, be back whenever. Peace. God bless. God is a sun and shield.